Expand your shop's capabilities and your productivity with the PowerLink hydraulic 60-ton shop press from Edwards. Run by any of our Edwards Ironworkers with PowerLink System or the portable power unit. The heavy-duty 60-ton shop press is engineered with a rolling cylinder and an open-ended design to allow longer pieces of material to pass through the frame. Operator-friendly, the 60-ton shop press includes quick connect hydraulics, convenient foot controls, and an optional magnetic PLC control box. Improve your productivity by up to 50% with programmable logic control that allows the operator to produce repeatable actions by adjusting up and down stroke control and PSI. The shop press accepts a variety of tooling to press, form, or shape steel. The optional 6-piece press tooling set includes tapered and cutaway push blocks, or request custom tooling catered to your needs. Every single Edwards PowerLink hydraulic tool is proudly made in America. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today to learn more about any of our industry-leading Edwards PowerLink hydraulic tools. Edwards Ironworker. Build your legend.